war. Boondocks.
Jumped off the porch as a young nigga, like a sprung nigga. Only thing I wanted to sport was Tommy Hill. Figured of course I couldn't afford it, or ignore it. Had to step out into nature and get naughty. My brother always told me, don't you dare tuck in your shirt. That's what girls do when I don't see no fucking skirt. Make sure you go to school, and if you don't, stay with some work. You gotta hit the books unless you tryna do this dirt. But I don't really wanna see you taking that path though. You know what the streets do. The streets breed assholes who sit around with frowns contemplating about cash flow. Had they moms paranoid waiting on phone calls like my mom in jail or he dead as a dough now. Most kids round here, they don't make it past 21. I survived cause I connive with a whole lot of guns. Plus I got lucky, my connect got a lot of tons. I know why you hustle, cause you want them new Jordan 1s. Trust me, Lil P, this ain't the place or the time for that. Tryna be like me, well, that ain't gon' get you far. It's better things to do, cause you got handles, play basketball. These dudes is killers, they ain't acting like movie stars. We'll start to pull up, then pull out like